Come test drive the 2021 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.